Hi, do you have thin or fine hair and you've been looking for a hair solution? Let me introduce you to Only Virgin Hair Organic Invisible Tape-In Hair Extension. Our invisible tape-in hair extensions are made from only the healthiest virgin ponytails. They are invisible at the root of which your hair extension is actually applied. As you can see, if someone was to apply this tape-in extension that had blonde roots, they would actually be invisible in the hair. Only Virgin Hair offers the most textures and the most lengths and colors. Our lengths range from anywhere between 12 to 32 inches. If you've ever tried tape-in hair extensions before and you feel that this isn't something that's for you, I can reassure you, you've never tried ours before. Ours are made from only organic material.